Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, the popular Nollywood star actor, Lateef Adédìméjì was seen in Iya Peju costume talking about why people see him in pregnancy sometime and then later they won't see it again. What do you like about Lateef Adédìméjì's character, Iya Peju? Drop your comment in the comment section down below. Please make sure you watch the video to the end.
All of a sudden, lóṣù méjì ẹ̀kọ́ lè dé rí kókò mi tún flat yẹ́rọ pé mo lọ jíìmù ni mi ò lọ jíìmù tó rà kọ̀dá ni mí sometimes ọlọ́wọ́ akọ̀kọ̀kan ni ìyá kíní o ìyá ẹ̀yìn tó ní ìsìn mo fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ tọ́jú ẹ̀ fún bí oṣù kan sẹ́gbẹ́ kan wọ́n á fi sẹ́gbẹ́ kan báyìí tó bá tún di lẹ́yìn oṣù mẹ́ta wọ́n tún dà padà sáàrin tó bá tún di wọ́n tún ṣe wẹ̀ tó bá tún di láti nítorí ayé dẹ̀ ni ló ṣe rí rẹ̀.
If you enjoy the video you just watched, please like, subscribe for more, feel free to comment, share with your friends and click the notification bell icon to be the first to see our next video. Thanks and God bless.